Hello, seed savers! I'm Bonnie from Circle City Seeds, and today I'm going to show you how to save cucumber seeds. Cucumber seeds are easy seeds to save, you just have to be patient. Cucumbers have both male and female flowers. The plant usually sets male flowers first and the female flowers later. You can tell the two apart by looking just underneath the flower. If it looks like a tiny cucumber, that's the female flower. Cucumbers are insect pollinated mostly by bees. You can get fruit from having just one plant, with pollen from a male flower to a female flower on the same plant. For good genetics for your seed saving, you should really shoot for around 5 to 10 plants though. Cucumbers do cross-pollinate easily, so if you're growing more than one variety, you will need to take some precautions if you plan on saving the seeds and you want them to be the same as the parent plant. The cucumbers that we actually eat are the immature fruit. In order to save the seeds, you want to wait until the cucumber has ripened, which means it'll get larger, kind of squishy, and change colors, usually in the yellow to orange range. When the cucumber is ready, it should easily break off the vine. To get the seeds out, you'll want to cut the cucumber in half and scoop out the seeds. The seeds will look larger than the cucumber seeds you usually eat. They'll also have a gel coating on them. To remove the gel coating, you can either leave the seeds in some water for a few days to ferment, tossing away any floating seeds, which are not viable seeds, or give them a good rinse in a sieve. To dry off the seeds, you'll want to place them on either a coffee filter, wax paper, or a screen. If you use a paper towel or plate, they might get stuck. Leave the seeds out to dry for a few days to a week, then store them someplace cool and dry. The seeds you harvest should last around 5 years or so. I saved some seeds from a cucumber in 2014 that I planted in 2020, and they did great. If you would like to purchase some of the seeds I've collected here today, you can do so on my Etsy shop or on my website, circlecityseed.com. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to learn more about saving all different types of seeds, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below what seed saving video you would like to see next. Happy seed saving!